Hi, I'm Bobby, corporate guide with Northwest. I've been with the company almost 4 years, and today we're going to talk about why you might need to file IRS Form 8822B. We'll break down who can be the responsible party for your business, we'll go through the filing step by step, and finally we'll talk about where to mail it. First, let's talk about the form itself. Businesses with an Employee Identification Number, or EIN, will use this form to update the IRS for any changes to their business address or responsible party. If only your home address has changed, use Form 8822. The responsible party is the person who is listed on the EIN application and who controls the business assets and finances. If your business is making a change to its responsible party, this change must be made within 60 days. The IRS also has guidelines on who can be a responsible party. The responsible party should be an owner or a principal officer of the company. Except in the case of a government entity, the responsible party should be a person and not an entity. And there can only be one responsible party. In cases where there are multiple owners, such as a multi-member LLC, you should choose the person with the most decision-making power. They will be the person that the IRS contacts for any issues with your EIN or any other tax-related issues. Naming the responsible party does not affect your ownership of your business or the way that it is taxed. And now, let's look at the filing itself. You'll see at the top of the form that there's a box you need to check if your business is a tax-exempt organization. For lines 1 to 3, there are boxes you'll need to check that indicate what will be impacted by the change you're making. You'll check the box for line 1 if your changes will affect employment, excise, income, and other business returns. The line 2 box needs to be checked if your changes will affect employee plan returns, and the line 3 box should be selected if this will change your business location. On line 4A, you need to fill in your business name, and on line 4B, you need to enter your 9-digit EIN. The IRS sends a confirmation letter when you apply for the EIN if you are looking for your number. If you are changing your mailing address, fill out line 5 with your old mailing address and line 6 with your new mailing address. If your business is changing locations, fill out line 7 with your new business location. If you're changing your responsible party, put the name of the new responsible party on line 8 and their social security number, individual taxpayer identification number, or EIN on line 9. Regardless of which change you're making, you need to have an owner or officer sign and date the form and list their title. This form can only be filed by mail. If your old business address is located in one of these states, or in DC, then you should mail your form to Internal Revenue Service, Kansas City, Missouri, 64999. If your old business address is located in one of these states or outside of the country, you should mail your form to Internal Revenue Service, Ogden, Utah, 84201. So today we talked about the purpose of IRS Form 8822B. We discussed what a responsible party is and went through the form step by step, including where to mail it. If you found this helpful, like the video and subscribe to our channel. And remember, call Northwest when you want more.